Right, so we're here today with this panelling. This is a reclaimed interior from a 1929 Thornycroft motor yacht. She was built teak planking on oak and had a mahogany panelled fit out in the rear cabin. This boat was being broken up for scrap last year after having stood on the hard standing for between 10 and 15 years and was beyond the point of being economical to save. So this is all mahogany. I believe it is either Honduras or Cuban. It's a panel in frame construction. The panels are approximately 3/8 of an inch thick. The frame was grooved, mortise and tenoned, doweled, so there was no glue or anything used. So these, a lot of these frames will deconstruct fairly non-destructively. So we should end up with, a good quantity of usable timber. So this interior was, subject to kind of wind, sun, rain, snow, everything the English weather can throw at it. And there is zero movement. I mean, it's incredibly stable stuff that you just do not see new these days. The timber itself is well worth kind of saving and reusing. There's plenty of life left in it, and it's amazing stuff. So we're planning to use this wood on an interior refit of a motor yacht from the sort of mid-30s, so quite similar time period, and it should complement her very well. So this is a pretty good example of what happened to the boat. There was an iron knee, hanging knee. This was travelling athwartships across the boat. It was mounted to the inside face of the bulkhead, and there was an iron knee running along here down one of the frames, and the iron knee has caused all of this decay, from, you can see it's just, and there were huge sections of the boat that were just like this. It's just gone. There's nothing there. But that's quite a good example of the condition of a large proportion of the boat structure. I think this was joining down this side or something. Again, you can kind of feel it's like a sponge. It's like foam. There's no structure to it, so that's no good. We may be able to use this end. It may colour match for kind of putting plugs in or something like that, or we may just happen to need a small section of timber, but this end's largely unusable. But it's a good example of the condition of the boat and why it was being broken up. I think there's some really beautiful timber here. So yeah, let's see what we can kind of get out of it.